Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, extend it, and somewhere in between those toggles you'll find your power saving mode. So for me, it's on the second page, as you can see right here. It's called Battery Saver, to be more precise. And once you locate it, simply tap on it. It gives you a pop-up, turn on Battery Saver. Battery Saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activities, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. So to kind of go into just this brief summary that it gives you and just explain what these do, because this explanation is really vague. So dark mode, it's obvious, but then limits or turns off background activities, so all the apps that are running in the background kind of gone. Then when it comes down to visual effects, a high refresh rate turned off, you're back to 60 Hz. Connections, network connections more precisely, Wi-Fi and mobile data turned off when the device is in sleep mode, meaning when it's kind of like this, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve battery. Additionally, always on display, also gone. And when it comes down to the network connections, like I mentioned, when it turns them off, it re-enables them when you wake up the device again. So you don't need to worry about like being completely disconnected. It just does it when you're not using the device. So anyway, let's select turn on. So you can see it lights up and turns the battery outline into red, just so you know that you are right now running in battery saver mode. So that's it. And once you're done with it, I believe you can either charge the battery to full and it turns it off, but if that is not the case, you can always turn it off manually by tapping on the toggle once more, like so. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.